back to another Keto Kitchen with Dom. So today we're going to make a baked mac and cheese with real noodles. So these noodles were purchased from the Great Low Carb Bread Company. Now there is an awesome recipe using cauliflower, but for all those carb lovers and carb desires, I wanted to create something that was fun and that kind of mimicked the real mac and cheese. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, stay tuned and keep on watching. So with any mac and cheese, you kind of have to start with some type of cheese sauce. So I'm basically starting off with my cheese sauce first. So I'm using the Kerrygold butter to kind of give myself like a nice buttery flavor. I'm going to add a few seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, just to give my mac and cheese a little bit of flavor. I'm basing my flavor profile of how I used to eat my mac and cheese, but I'm just tailoring this one to be more keto friendly, more low carb. So I am going to use almond milk. This does say that it's flavored, vanilla flavored, but there's no vanilla taste in it, so it's good to go. Now this has very, very low carbs. The heavy cream has no carbs, so you can use heavy cream. The heavy cream actually makes the sauce a little bit thicker and holds the macaroni and cheese together, which is great. Now I am going to add cheese in, and the cheese is less than 1 gram of carb for a quarter cup. So you can actually make this as cheesy as you want. I know sometimes it can get nauseating when you have like a lot of cheese, so kind of, do it in moderation just to make sure that all the noodles are covered and are cheesy and good. Just a little side note, yes, I am not wearing gloves to prepare this meal, but I'm not cooking for a football team. I'm cooking for me, myself, and I. So I opted not to use gloves, but I did wash my hands. So for all those trolls out there, I got it, guys. As you can see, I'm working with 2 pots on the stove, so I did actually boil the water and put some salt in it. Now I'm going to put the noodles in, so I'm going to give you guys this suggestion. Make sure you cook the noodles thoroughly, just because these are not like regular noodles. These are soy-based products, so therefore it's a little bit firmer. It definitely needs a little bit more time when it comes to cooking. I've done this trial twice, so I've baked mac and cheese twice already. This is my second time around, and I've learned that cooking it a little bit longer gives you better results. The oven's not going to cook it like regular noodles. Regular noodles are soft. These are a little bit firm, so you definitely need to cook these thoroughly. And then once you're done, you can bake it, and then just bake it like you regularly would bake any type of mac and cheese. So I was was looking for a crispy crunch on top of my mac, so I used these whiffs that I got from Costco's. Now these are 1 net carb, so I used 2 bags and I'm gonna crush these up and try to make like a crispy coat on top of my mac. Now you can get these at Costco's, they're very, very low carb. I decided to use the cheddar cheese pack. There is a Parmesan cheese, but cheddar cheese works better. So I'm just gonna crush this up and make it like really nice and fine. And then I'm gonna spread this on top of the macaroni once it's in the oven and ready to cook. Ready to go into the oven, so I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes just to make sure that it gets nice and golden crispy. I'm really excited about this one. Now this is the final look of it once it's dried up, once it's sat down for like about 15 minutes. You can see how crispy and golden this looks. It looks exactly like Mama's mac and cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, just leave your comments down below. I had about a half a cup of this mac and cheese. It's about 4 servings for 1 bag, so I could definitely have a little bit more, but I was satisfied with this amount of food and it was just excellent. It tastes very good. I will leave all the information down below. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe and share, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!